Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blurry on Messenger. You will click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Messenger app and you will click. Here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here in this page we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. You will go to search about Facebook Messenger. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.